So there I took it off, and they actually have a dust bag, which I think I bought some for Coach, but I don't know if I cannot remember if they have a dust bag. So I feel like this is very cheap and it's very decent, and it's actually leather. So let's have a look, because I got the small one because this is the one that I can afford. Okay, the other one is too expensive, so I don't want to buy that one. It's actually very cute. See? So I can open that there. I can actually fit the phone here. That is really good. So let's get this out. And then it is a crossbody bag. So yeah. So actually this one was on sale. So there was a very big difference. I think 70%. So very, very cheap, this one. Yeah. And look at that. So it's very original. There is the same size like this. I don't know how many inches this. There is one size like this. Of course, I bought another thing rather than buying the wallet, because it was like, I think, a Gucci wallet. I really love that, but I did not buy it because it's too much. I feel like that's too much. Like, I spend the money somewhere else. And then you have this gold thingy. This is actually so good. So this one is actually a good buy. You know, it's, I think, how much was this one? So I feel like that one there is that. And then it was, I think, 70% off something. So you can actually put something here. It's very nice. So that's it. It's so cute. A big space right there. Sorry. And then there's a zip area, so I can fit my phone here and a small wallet. So it's so worth it. It's just worth it. So ito, may ganito pala siya. So na-adjust mo siya. Ayan. Ayan. So na-adjust mo siya. Ang ganda ng yan. Wala akong proper na ano. But it's actually very good. Yun. Mura lang yung nabibili natin kasi no, naghihintay tayo ng sale kasi worth it naman. Worth it naman yung mga sale. So, yung paghihintay mo kasi mas dapat madiskarte. Yung syempre hindi siya yung kasi pag inano mo Kate Spade, yung iba nagsasabi ay Kate Spade lang yan. Pero magandang Kate Spade kaya yun. So, meron akong Coach, meron akong Kate Spade, pero yun, nung in-offer akong bilhan ako ng asawa ko ng something, ako yung naghindi kasi ayoko nang naawa ako sa mga anak ko na hindi na, yung parang ako lang ang nabibili ng ganito. Hindi naman, pero this one is very, worth it. Yun, bumibili ako ng every Boxing Day, every sale, yun, nagbibili ako ng mga, ito. Pero maganda talaga ito, maganda talaga itong Kate Spade na sila, yung mga box nila, maganda talaga. Kahit yung maliit na binili ko, may picture ako nun ang ganda. Kaya siguro mahal to kasi lang dahil sa box, hindi naman siguro, chika lang. That's it. Parang lang din. Yung mga sale kasi pag mid ng ganito sa Australia, pag ganitong month, may maraming sale. So, pero depende naman yun kasi minsan, konti lang din ang sinisale. So, kung okay naman siya, hindi naman siya yung, maganda naman siya, tapos worth it naman siya, why not? Kasi nasa pagdadala naman yun. Hindi naman yun na porket mahal yung lahat ng gamit mo, lahat na maganda tingnan. Meron naman din kasing maganda. Siyempre, sabi ko lang yun kasi kung gustuhin naman natin bumili, makakabili naman, pero yun, kanang dili man kung ganahan mo palit kay mahalan jud ko. Yan. Naman akong ang kaibigan ako na better pa mag-invest sa gold at this time kaysa sa kanang mga mamahaling bag. Kay pwede naman po kay dapat mo kung naa pa magamit, okay naman. Pero kung maka-afford, why not? Why not? Ganong di man tamo palit. Kung ako maka-afford ko nga dili na ko mag-uol, like mahuman ng mga gastusin, why not mo palit ko? Pero at this moment, mas mahilig ko sa dress. So dresses po is not, dili po ko ganahan expensive. So minsan mag-ukay-ukay po ko, pero the branded ones kay naaman po na diri. So mahanap mo yan dito. So yun, this is good. Pero yun nga, kailangan mautak ka rin. Kay diskarte man lang na. Imaginein mo ang diferensya niya. Pero dapat willing kang maghintay talaga. Yung willing ka to wait for the sale. Na kung kailan mo siya gustong bilhin. Kasi para worth it naman din. Kasi the same item lang naman yan eh. Pero yung kailan mo gagamitin, ganon, that's okay. Yan. Actually, pwede naman pala siyang tanggalin yung niya dito. So, pwede siyang gawin mong clutch. Yan, ganyan tsaka laki. Yan. Diba? So, yun. Okay. Bili na kayo ng sale. So, this one arrived today and the parcel arrived. This is cute. But this one, they actually wrapped it so nicely and it's so cute. So I'll put that back, and then I ordered already before a key, a card. It's like a keeper and a card organizer at the same time. So I also got that same time last year where everything is like 70%. So this is it. So this is original. I know there are a lot of things now that are fake online and everywhere. You can buy them everywhere. But this one, I opted to buy this one because it's actually good leather. It's not very expensive and it's worthwhile. So look how nice I don't want to actually take them. So I can actually tear this apart, but I don't want to tear them apart. So I'm just gonna like take it out. See, I don't really want to ruin it. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's put it this way.